Yogakshemam 10th November 2020. Theme: Mutual Giving. Trump is still to concede. Biden, Kamala Harris are getting ready. Jill Douglas are getting ready. Bihar votes National Democratic Alliance again. Wins 125 out of 243 seats. It was a close contest. MIM2 gets 5 seats. Nitish may continue as Chief Minister for one last time. BJP as a dominant partner. Tejasvi offers promise and has to get ready for the next elections. By polls across the country, BJP gets majority. Dubbaka chooses BJP in a tight race. We remain hopeful and we get going, largely unaffected, into Deepavali days. Arvind Oja succumbs to COVID. URMUL, Uttar Rajasthan Milk Union Limited, Trust CEO and Secretary, leading change for vulnerability, poverty reduction and empowerment. Part of Sanjay Ghosh's founding team at URMUL Trust. Along with him, URMUL came up in 1972 under Operation Flood. In 1984, URMUL Trust under the aegis of URMUL has come into being at Lankaransar, largely for healthcare. Corpus has come through 3 paise per litre of URMUL. 1987 drought affected Ann, Jal and Char. Just then, I visited their Lankaransar campus. The URMUL Trust moved to work in famine relief, livelihoods, collective action, apart from health, education, into integrated development. Now in 150 villages in Thar, working with livestock rearers, working with weavers. In due course, it has become an umbrella organization for the desert. URMUL Setu at Lankaransar, UMBVS, URMUL Marustali, Bankar Vikas Samiti of Weavers, URMUL Seemant at Bajju, URMUL Jyoti Eye Care, URMUL Kejadi at Nagaur, Vasundhara Wool et al. Abhivyakti. While we missed meeting Sanjoy, we could meet Sumita and familiar with Rang Sutra. We could meet Arvind and their producer companies and marketing company. His daughter Jaya is a young friend, professor in Central University of Rajasthan. URMUL family of institutions and their leadership continue to serve desert, inspire India and generations to come. Arvind, we get going. Continue to inspire us to be at it. Education, for having choices and exercising, for living and leading, for celebrating life. Each one of us. Tools, skills, wisdom for this. Having balanced minds which cannot be misled. With new education policy around, are we having the state carrying our 1,000 days to up to 18 years mandatorily to all, satisfactorily, or is it another boogie? And some of us got this kind of education in some way. Are we not there to ensure that this happens to more of us? Seriously? Let us pay back. Let us get back to payback. Let us work on more into it. Another 10,000 hours idea for us. Azim Premji was most generous during the year. 8,000 crore rupees, 2/3 of the donations of the year, miles ahead of others. These include Shiv Nadar, Mukesh Ambani, Kumar Mangalam Birla, Anil Agarwal. Most philanthropy amount is going to education, followed by poverty reduction. Chandras donate rupees 27 crore during the year. Rohini 47 crore rupees. All this is mostly personal wealth. This is a self-actualized individual's social responsibility, to be differentiated from corporate social responsibility. All of us may not be blessed with rupees riches. For many, their wealth may be time, energy, talent, skills, expertise, experience. Can they provide to the people who need? Can they be more catalytic? Can they be more leveraging? Can they invest in finding solution at the root? Can they invest into impacts? Can they invest into responsible social enterprises and business? Can they be thankful for the opportunity to serve, service, support? Corporate social responsibility reviews broadly conclude that financial contributions alone are not enough. Some companies have set up their own trusts and they manage them. Some do it as part of their main business itself. Some give as donation to an entity that works on the ground. Today, CSR appears bigger than other civil society. With Foreign Contribution Regulation Act rules, civil society may transform into CSR civil society. Mandatory CSR has brought in more funds, some 10,000 crore rupees plus per year. Venture funds for entrepreneurship, more reporting, more training to professionals, more funds to government or governments. In some sense, these funds broadly offset the decline in funds from other sources, including government and FCRA funds. However, these are not systematic. Funds against plans most often. Funding innovations has not picked up yet. Is CSR an additional tax of some 2% or does it contribute creatively to a better world? It cannot be a tax. It cannot be a guilt money. It is important that guilt should not be happening. What should be happening is ethical business, responsible business, caring business. A discussion point for several days on how the philanthropies work. Trusts, foundations, endowments, CSR foundations, foreign foundations operating in the country, community public trusts, United Ways, charities, legacies, Section 8 companies, corpus interest users, leveragers, challengers, implementers, hybrids, dedicated doers, event managers, award givers, researchers, campaigners, anonymous donors, founders taking charge as trustees, incentive givers, innovation facilitators, competition managers, social movements, supporters, infrastructure builders, scholarship providers, travel supporters, publishers, social media managers, digital platforms, volunteer guilds, time givers, networks, networkers, facilitators, communicators, fundraisers, angel investors, no interest equity investors, check writers. If we love, which we do, we give ourselves fully. We keep giving. If we do not have, we earn and give, without the asking, with our hands down, because we have hope, faith, promise, love, because we share them, because we are in nature, with nature for 7L. Join us in the world of yoga, of leading, living and celebrating life, of useful local sustainable mutual giving. Ishtadana Yoga for 7L.